NANI?!
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're new here, feel free to press that red button down below and ring that notification bell so you never miss another video. Today I will be reviewing Arteza 72 pack Inktonic Pens, which I am super excited about because I've never really made pen art or used pen in my art as the medium or main medium, so this will be super exciting. After I had swatched all of the colors, I really wanted to see how it would work on a illustration. So I ended up printing out a coloring sheet that I have made in the past. If you would like one of these coloring sheets, feel free to email me. My email is down below in the description box, and I can send you a copy of my coloring sheets. Right off the back, I realized I wasn't using them correctly and kind of tearing up the paper instead of letting the nib go whichever way it wants, which is something I really had to learn with watercolor brush pens as well as with these pens. I feel like they have the same techniques of just letting the ink flow wherever it would like to within that space, as well as shadowing to just wait and layer on for that to dry. Even though these dry fairly quickly, still giving it time so you don't end up tearing the paper in the process. I tried doing a couple different techniques such as hatching or just using the pen as a way to fill up a whole space, but I also wanted to try some of that hatching technique I've seen some of my favorite artists do before with pen. As far as the pens themselves, I think they're great in general. I just wish that the sizes were a little bit different or they had different size pens, because I feel like the nib is very small for if I was doing a bigger piece than this. This is a fairly small piece. So if I was doing something a bit bigger, I feel like it would take me forever and I might dry out the pens by the time I finish the piece because this nib is so small and there isn't much color coming out of this tip. Find myself once in a while ending up ripping the paper or tearing it because of the dye or ink solution within the pen. So I don't know if that's because of the cardstock I was using or the pens themselves, but I also did see the nib of the pens feathering a bit after my first use, so that was a little bit alarming for me. Overall, I would rate this pen set maybe 7.5, generous 7.8, just because of all the feathering and tearing of the paper. But other than that, I really thought they were great for small illustrations, but probably not for something big. Other than that, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another video. And I'll see you in the next one.